International Therapeutic Proteins, known as ITP, supplies antitoxins, antidotes to snake venoms and other biologics, biological therapeutics, to corporate and government clients. Company info. The company's manufacturing base is located in the remote but temperate island of Tasmania. This safeguards end products from contamination with BSE, bovine spongiform encephalopathy. International Therapeutic Proteins is headquartered in the UK. The UK office functions are primarily administration, distribution and regulatory affairs. The company's Australian subsidiary owns 2 farms in Tasmania totaling 500 hectares, 1,235 acres. The farms are located in Longford, where Selborne Biological Services is also operating. A dedicated protein separation facility is used for all antitoxin products. This consists of an upstream, pre-viral inactivation, suite for the fractionation of Ig from whole serum or plasma and a downstream, post-viral inactivation, suite to conduct further processing and formulation of the Fab fragment. References